When you use the same device for work and personal activities, how can you keep your work data safe and avoid any mix-up? PNC660 is a great solution. Its dual domain feature separates your work and life spaces, so your apps and data in each area are kept apart. This creates clear boundaries between your work and personal life. Now, let's show you how to use the dual domain on the PNC660. Swipe left on your home screen, and then tap Settings. Swipe up to find dual domain, and then tap it. Turn on Use Dual Domain. When you first use PNC660, it only has the work domain by default. So you need to add a life domain first. Tap Add Life Domain. Now, the life domain has been added. You can turn on Scheduled Life Domain, which lets PNC660 automatically switch to the life domain within a specific time. You can also customize this time period as needed. Next, let's enter the life domain you just created. Tap Life Domain. For the first time, you need to set up a screen lock. Here, take a PIN as an example. Tap PIN, and then enter the password. Tap Next. Enter the password again. Tap Confirm. You are now in the life domain. The icon in the status bar shows your current mode. You can change the wallpaper for your life domain to easily distinguish it from your work domain. Finally, let's learn how to quickly switch between work and life domains. Swipe right on the home screen to enter the quick access screen. Tap Switch Domain. Enter the lock screen password in work domain. PNC660 has successfully switched from the life domain to the work domain. The icon in the status bar shows your current mode. Now, you can use the dual domain for a better work-life balance and increased productivity. That's how to use dual domain.